Hey everyone, I'm Shayan. I run Entity Legacy Group. If you don't know us, we help founders, SaaS operators, and agencies build AI-driven systems and virtual teams that actually deliver results. Today, we are going to cover how to start your own AI automation agency in less than 1 day. And I don't mean a half-baked setup. I mean a fully operational system that can scale and survive tool changes well into 2026. Before we jump uh, into apps or templates, I want to set the stage. This is an operator level content. You are going to learn the system, logic, and decision behind an agency, not just random tactics. We will cover identifying profitable niches, designing offers that survive tool changes, setting up your agency in less than 24 hours, pricing, delivery, and execution systems, and lastly, but not last but not the least, scaling without adding unnecessary complexity. Let me pause here. This is meant to feel like an internal training session, not a motivational talk. If you take notes and follow along, you'll walk away with a blueprint you can actually implement immediately. Now, one more thing. Tools change, AI models evolve and software trends shift, but system thinking, outcomes, and repeatable logic are permanent, and everything else is replaceable. Think of a client request as a puzzle. You know, Tools are the pieces, but the puzzle itself, the flow, the logic, the decision point, stays the same. If you understand that, you'll survive any tool change. Let's talk about why businesses uh, pay for automation services. Repetitive tasks, bottleneck, slow processes, they cost money every day. And AI automation agencies step in to solve these immediately. The advantage is speed and adaptability. You can deliver solutions before a company even realizes it needs them. Example, SMBs losing hours on manual reporting, agencies struggling with repetitive client dashboards, SaaS companies manually onboarding dozens of clients. Key insight is tools will evolve, but the pain point and urgency don't. When evaluating a niche, look for structural demand, recurring repetitive tasks, urgent problems, and a willingness to pay for a solution. Ignore trends and focus on one repeated problems that will exist in 2026 and onwards. Imagine two niches, one trendy AI based service and one recurring pain like invoice automation. Which one will consistently pay you over time? Exactly, the one solving recurring pain. Here is my practical tip. Take 5 to 10 minutes per niche, map out the task, money flow, and urgency. You will quickly see which niches are viable. Uh, okay, now let's visualize the full operating system of your agency. Think of it like a machine. Market, who pays and why. Then there is offer, like what problem you solve. Then there is sales, how you get clients. Execution, how the work gets done. And delivery, how client experience the result you deliver. And retention, last but not the least, is retention, how you keep and expand clients. Notice something? This flow is circular, not linear. Every component feeds back into the system. Don't treat this as a checklist. This is a living system, constantly iterated and optimized. Imagine a SaaS client. You identify a repetitive onboarding task, design automation, execute, deliver, gather feedback, refine, and next month the feedback improves execution speed. That loops feed back into your operating system. That's system thinking in practice. And here's my analogy. Think of your agency like a car engine. Each component, market offer, market offer, execution, moving parts. If one fails, the engine stalls. Understanding this flow is crucial. Picking a niche is critical. Don't pick based on hype. Pick based on structural signals. Repetitive task, regulatory or compliance pressure, clear revenue flow. Urgent need for automation, and see the decision rule. Does this niche need automation now and in 2026? You could take an example like SMBs with admin heavy processes, agencies with reporting bottlenecks, SaaS businesses with onboarding flows. I've seen founders pick cool niches like AI powered social media posting. Sounds trendy, but the pain isn't real, and adoption is slow. Your goal is repeated urgent problems with clients who can pay. Map every potential niche, pain point, and revenue potential. The wrong niche kills agency growth faster than anything else. Here is my favorite part. Most agencies fail because they sell tools, not outcomes. Here is the structure. Number one, business pain. Exactly what cost them money or time. Number two is automation outcome, measurable result. And then thirdly, simple promise, client friendly statement, not high promises. And avoid tool based offers. Tools evolve, outcomes remain. You know, uh, and your pricing, think your pricing as value is greater than time. Setup fee for initial automation, recurring retainer for optimization, and outcome ownership clarity. Uh, Here's an example. A client loses 20 hours per week reconciling leads across platforms. You can automate this. How much is that worth? Price should be based on value, not hours spent. And clients don't care about hours. They care about what changes for them. And guys, here is the part you guys are looking for. The practical part. Set up in under 24 hours. You need to focus only on essentials. Brand number one is brand and positioning. Simple but credible. Then minimal tool stack. Pick one or two tools to execute core automations. Okay. Then build a demo or proof. Show results immediately. And then on the last, you need to build basic, very basic SOPs. Must be repeatable processes for scaling. And you can take the example like lead capture automation, customer onboarding workflow, simple reporting dashboard. Database don't overbuild. Over engineering is the fastest way to stall. Day one is momentum, not perfection. Build fast, fail fast, iterate fast. This mindset separates agencies that scale from those that die in 3 months. The execution stack is the engine of your agency. Think of three layers. Number one, automation layer, workflows and pipelines. Number two, think of intelligence layer, AI or logic decisions. And number three, think of monitoring layer, your quality assurance and feedback loops. Key principle is abstraction. Today it might be Make or Zapier or Anytent. Tomorrow, custom scripts. Logic remains the same. Workflow examples will be client input, then decision logic, then automated action, then feedback loop. Uh, Let me give you a mini case. A SaaS company onboarded 100 clients per day, and automation reduces time from 5 hours to 30 minutes. Feedback loop tweaks errors automatically. That's operator level execution. Okay, give me a second, guys. Yeah. Oh, sorry guys, just give me a second. Yeah, delivery is where agencies either thrive or fail. Don't over-engineer. Focus on just speed, reliability, and repeatability. Sales is the only irreplaceable skill. You get lead, you convert them to call, diagnose their problem, give a solution, offer them a solution, and simply close. And the option selling templates or enablement for clients make adoption smoother. If delivery is slow, no amount of marketing saves you. If delivery is repeatable and fast, scaling sales become trivial. And don't get me wrong, scaling isn't hiring more people, it is systems. Document SOPs, create templates, delegate repetitive tasks, and use AI internally. Example is if a single automation task take 30 minutes for one client, document it. Then a junior or AI handles it for 10 clients without you touching it. This is 2026 ready scaling. Focus on process over people. Finally, failure modes. Tool obsession, selling features instead of outcomes, ignoring Q&A, over automation, and you could see the operator framework. Humans design the systems, and AI execute the task, and finally, agency owns the outcome. Everything flows through this model. Tools, client, niches, all fit. Tools will change, hype will fade, but systems survive. Focus here and your agency is future proof. So that's the full blueprint, guys. You now have the logic, system, and execution layer to launch an AI automation agency in less than a day. If you want us at NDT Legacy Group to give you all the tools, template, and resources, leaving you to focus only on sales, reach out. Remember, systems are greater than tools, greater than tactics. Build that, and your agency will survive and scale beyond 2026. Good luck. Bye.